Hello everyone, we are explaining on a topic of understanding C programming, arrays and set operations on the subject fundamentals of data structure. This presentation explores the fundamental concepts of arrays in C programming, delving into their implementation, application and performing set operations. We are the team of four people: Isha Surana, Dhanuja, Jashwant and Dhruv Oberoi.
Hi, I'm Danuja. I'm giving introduction to arrays in C. Definition: arrays are a data structure that allows you to store a collection of elements of the same data type in contiguous memory locations. Benefits: they offer efficient storage and retrieval of data, enabling streamlined operations such as sorting, searching, and manipulation. Defining and initializing arrays. Syntax for union: union name, data type 1, member 1, data type 2, member 2. Initialization: you can initialize any array during declaration, providing values for each element within curly braces.
So here we are accessing array elements. Each element in an array is assigned a unique index starting from 0. So here we have a program for a set of arrays. Like develop a C program that reads two arrays of integers and then calculate and display the following for the two arrays. Certainly, let's break down the code step by step. Header inclusion, where it includes stdio.h, which is standard input and output header file. This line includes the standard input output library in C. This library provides essential functions for input and output operations. Functions definitions, we have used find union, where it is int array, int n1, int array 2 and int n2. This function calculates and prints the union of two arrays, where array 1 and n1 represents the first array and its size. Logic, it iterates through the first array and prints all its elements. Then it iterates through the second array. For each element in the second array, it checks it if the element exists in the first array using a nested loop. Next, intersection, where again int array 1, int n1, int array 2, int n2 is being in the function. This function again calculates and prints the intersections of two arrays. It uses nested loops to compare elements of both arrays. If a match is found between an element array 1 and element array 2, it is printed to the console. So next we go to find set difference, where again int array 1, int n1, int array 2, int n2 is being functioned. This function calculates and prints the intersection of two arrays. Again, it uses nested loops to compare elements of both arrays. Where it is a match found between an element array 1 and array 2, it is printed to the console. If the element from the first array is not found in the second array, it is printed to the console. Again, this code provides a basic implementation of set operations, union, intersection and set difference on interchange arrays in C. So it demonstrates how to create and use functions in C, handle arrays and perform basic array operations, uses loops for iteration, implement conditional statements, if else for decision making, interact with the user using input output functions. So this is how foundational example and more efficient and optimized implementation can be achieved using different data structures and algorithms. So here the key improvements and considerations what we have is efficiency. So the current implementation of find union has a time complexity where 0 n1 into n2 due to the nested loop. So this can be significantly improved by using a hash table or set to store elements of array 1 and then checking for the presence of array 2 elements in the constant time. Similarly, the find intersection and find set different functions can also be optimized using a hash table or set. Now, what is duplicate handling? It's nothing but the current code assumes that the input arrays do not contain duplicate elements. If duplicate elements are present, the results might not be accurate. So modifications would be needed to handle duplicates correctly. So there's a function call to find union, intersection and set difference, where we use the last find union, find intersection and find set difference. So this Program ensures correct functionality and avoids duplicates when performing set operations. Output will be the enter the size of the first array, enter elements of the first array we have given, then you'll get the size of the second array where you're taking 4, enter elements of the second array 3, 4, 6, 7, then you'll get union where all together the numbers have been included. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Intersection, the common numbers have been taken out, that is 3 and 4. Set difference, array 1 minus array 2, which is 1, 2, 5.
My name is Yashwant. I am explaining about common array operations. There are 4 steps: traversal, searching, sorting, insertion and deletion. Traversal, iterating through each element of array, performing a specific action on each. Searching, finding a particular element within the array either linearly or using binary search. Sorting, arranging elements in ascending or descending order using algorithms like bubble sort or merge sort. Insertion and deletion, adding or removing elements from the array while maintaining its integrity. Next slide is about concept of set and set operations. Set definition. A set is a collection of distinct elements where order doesn't matter. Set operations. Common set operations include union, intersection and set difference, allowing you to combine or compare sets.
Hello, I'm Dhruv Oberoi. I'm going to explain implementing the union of two arrays. First, union is a user-defined data type that allows different data types to be stored in the same memory locations. Second, include all elements from both arrays, removing duplicates. Third, iterate through the first array, adding elements to the second union array. Fourth, iterate through the second array, checking the for duplicates before adding. Next slide is about implementing intersection and set difference. Intersection finds elements present in both arrays. Set difference find elements present in the first array but not the second. The last part of program is conclusion and key takeaways. First, arrays, powerful for storing and managing data. Second, set operations, essential for manipulating and comparing sets. Third, C implementations, efficiently perform set operations using C code. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has provided you with a clear understanding of arrays in C and how to perform set operations.